some breakfast. You don't have to leave that open. Would you rather have it be closed? Look at the little babies. They're very cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, good morning. Just a minute. Let me get the camera. Hi, Keiko. Good morning. Good morning. How are you, little monkey? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You need a little hug. Here you go. Do you need a hug this morning? How are you? Good morning. How are you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Look at the baby bangles. They're so cute. Oh, they're very cute. Here, you can feel. Hello. What are you doing? Hi. Hello. Oh, thank you for the bath. Look at my slobbery pants now. You're so cute. So Felicity seems much calmer. I've checked several times throughout the night to make sure that she was doing okay in here with the kittens. Not hauling them off places. They seem to have a pretty good night. So that's good. So I'm not sure what it was that had her a bit anxious yesterday. Hopefully it won't happen today, but I don't know. I don't know. I think she was a bit anxious. Or else possibly overstimulated. Oh, look at that. That was quite a bounce. Oh, look at you go. 6 weeks old today. Oh, do you know what that means? It's time for baby's first revolution. Is it time for revolution? Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. It's so exciting. I think I need to turn this sound down. There, is that better? Oh, hi. That's very slobbery, thank you. Alright. You two, you were very well behaved last night. You were, and so were you. You were very well behaved. Ooh, look at her go. Oh, they're so cute. Whoever adopts them is going to have to get used to having soggy pants. Soggy pants. You're so cute. Gotta check your litter box and see if anyone pooped last night on their own. They're gonna have a rude awakening someday. Unless they have a secret poop spot that I haven't found yet. Are you pooping in a secret location? Where's all your poop going? At 6 weeks old. Ow! Oh, that was ferocious. Here you go. If you need to bite something, this is what you bite. There you go. They lick everything. Oh my goodness. Look what your brother's doing. Maybe you should help him. Hi. Now it's Keiko's turn to lick my pants. Get him. Here, you need one of these. No biting. I'm trying to be careful with these guys to not encourage biting of humans. Another reason why they'll be adopted together, because they need to learn bite inhibition from each other and not practice on the human. Right? You've got lots of learning to do about biting. Biting, about when you bite your friends, how hard can you bite them? I did send live stream a list of well, a bunch of feedback, and I also said that those of you that I had heard from had not received particularly satisfying support and or helpful, and I did get a response back that was fairly that had a much more helpful tone, so I will follow up with them today. But so just keep your feedback coming. Try to be polite about it, because they'll be more motivated to help if people are being nice to them. I know that it's frustrating, though. I know some of the things are frustrating and don't make sense. But the guy that is helping me seems quite helpful. So. But they only have so much control over what the team will do as an enhancement. So they have to get enough requests for the same feature to prioritize it. So the more of you who will contact them with a particular request, the better off we'll be. So just pass that along. I'm not super concerned about these guys eating smushy food. They're eating kibble, so they are onto big girl and boy food, and so I think that's fine. They'll eat smushy food when and if they want to. I'm sure they will want to at some point, but I'm not gonna really force it because they seem to quite enjoy the kibbles, right? And since we're not in a super hurry, they're quite pudgy. Oh yeah, I was gonna weigh them today. Oh, look at that. Look at that huntress. You do not want to be a mouse with that kitten around. She will get you. She will get you. Hi, Mama. Now, the tricky part with Miss Felicity is figuring out what it was that makes her content and what it is that makes her feel a little more anxious. Keiko is 707, I haven't weighed them for quite a while, I think. Let's see. Starling did quite well yesterday. I pushed her pretty hard, but she seems to be doing pretty well. She's still quite fearful, especially initially, but she did quite well, so I'm happy about that. Oops. What is it, the 27th today? Oops. Ouch. Okay. Hi there. Hello, Felix. Let's see how much you weigh. You're a big boy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Yeah, everything's gotta be in. No baffing. Okay, 760 for Felix. So, good job. You got it. All right. Did you put my caps lock on? Did you put my caps lock on? Oh, get it. Okay. What's this thing? It's blank. All right. There we go. So. I knew 7 times 6 was 42, not 46. Alright, there we go. So 6 weeks, so we have 2 weeks to go. In the last 14 days, let's just see real quick. 42. That minus that. 14. Okay. Well, I guess can't really mess there. So 140. So that would be 840. Okay, so at 8 weeks, Felix will be close. Keiko will not be quite as close. That's good, so, because I didn't know if I should start scheduling spay and neuters, but I think we'll have an extra week, maybe. Oh, get it. Get it. This thing has been lots of fun. Oh, no biting of toes. Hi, Mama. What you doing? Are you happier because you're in the room? I wonder if it's because it's Saturday, so there haven't been any noisy neighbors out there talking. I don't know. All right. Very good. So good weight gains. I'm not going to schedule their spays and neuters just yet. Oh, no. Hi. Hi there. I think I'm going to wait. Maybe another week to start accepting applications. Adorable. Too adorable. You're so handsome. A kitten in motion tends to stay in motion. Felix was enjoying this yesterday, but it looks like, oh no, there we go. Oh, she's so fierce. What is it? Hi. Where is it? What happened to the string? It got stuck. There we go. What do you think, Mama? slobbery. Get it, Felix. You got it, Felix. Oh no, you got away. Oh, that was a good move, Felix. Did you finish your breakfast, Mama? Good job. Whoa, that was impressive. I feel like maybe I need to take a little bit of a video. Let's see. Oh, Mama sees the camera come out, and then it's time to block. Time for blocking. Come over here, I will pet you. Hi, Mama. Very cute. Whoa. Determined to figure it out. goes Mama. Mama's getting wound up now, huh? That was impressive. What is Mama doing? Come on here, Mama. Here she goes. Watch out, kittens. Look at that puffy tail. That was impressive. Oh, it got away. Get it, Mama. Oh, hugs. Oh no, too slow. Uh-oh. That's a fun new game. wound up. Hi. Oh, now we're going to attack the people. Oh, she's gonna get you. Look at Mama, she's gonna get you. Whoa. Whoa. Good job, everybody. They're so cute. Adorable. Hi, Mama. You are too. I'm fixing this. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful, Mama. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, hi. Whoa, what was that? Oh, here she comes. And there she goes. Oh, look at that tail. It's so cute. Oh, they're so fast. They're so fast. I don't think the wall has anything to do with the dragging of kittens. She's been okay since last night. So we'll see. We'll see how she does today. Right, Mama? Oh, that was a good one. That was impressive. Oh, she's wound up. Oh, you're gonna get her wound up again. I think let's see how she does. I think she either was feeling anxious about something or she may have just gotten overstimulated, a little too excited. He's fighting back, isn't he? Look how ferocious they are. So ferocious. She tries so hard to be gentle with them, but you know, you can tell she just wants to like get something. She just wants to get something. Where did your kicker go? Yeah, get this. You can get this. I'll find you your kicker too. I'll find you your kicker. So you're not helping. Little instigator. No, I don't think it has anything to do with the visit schedule yesterday. She had several hours out with Gwen yesterday, so she had lots of attention. Perhaps too much attention. Perhaps it was just too exciting. Too exciting. Could just be her being a Bengal. That is very possible. You are so silly. Oh, look at that kitten. Oh, someone's gonna get attacked. Someone's about to get attacked. They mostly slept all night, so we'll see if she gets wound up after playtime and starts moving them around, then we'll know that it's probably she's just excited. I did spend some playtime with her a couple of times to try to expend some of that energy. Oh, look at that ferocious kitten. Look, they're tag teaming. Trouble. She just wants to get up. Oh, that was amazing. She's got some serious moves. That's impressive. I'd like to see you two do that. I'll try to get her using her wheel today, maybe. She hasn't quite embraced it yet. The kittens aren't big enough to move the wheel. Eat so fast. Good job, kittens. Good job, kittens. Hey, what's this? What's this? Oh, she's gonna get it. What's this? Are you taking a break? Are you resting? Keiko. You're so cute. What's this? Oh, here comes Mama. She'll show you how it's done. Ooh. She's got some serious moves. Are you so beautiful? You're so cute. Oh, excuse you. That was quite a burp. Quite a burp. They're closing in. I haven't gotten a good family picture yet of them. They've been doing some cute snuggling, but they always wake up when I come in. You can't sneak up on them. Go get her. Go get her. Here. Oh, you need a bigger one. Here. Where did Ratty go? Go get Ratty. Ratty's a good size. Or Grumpy Kitten. This one's good. You can get that one too. I think your ticker must be up beyond the wall. So cute. So cute. Oh, you're adorable. Oh, someone's on catnip now. Do you want candy now? Oh, here she goes. Here, go get your banana. Thundering around. Hi, Mama. You know we have to do your eye drops. Oh, hi. Oh no, she says don't do it. Don't do it. We were having so much fun. See, your eyes are doing better though because of the eye drops. It's like wrestling an alligator. Okay, hold on. I know. She's harder to medicate than the ferals. Good girl. Thank you. Thank you. That was very good. Yeah. Yes. Yes, I got you. Your eyes look much better today. Maybe your eyes were bothering you. Oh, so adorable. Such a good girl. Let's go find your kicker. Shall we go find your kicker? Like I'm going to make everyone disappear. Oh, where'd they all go? No, where did it go? No. Oh, look. You should try this. Look, what's this? What's this up here? Go get it. Come on, come and get it. Come and get it. Are you ready to the nest? Come and get it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nope. Let me go find your keeper. Ooh, look, this is exciting. We just got these from the wonderful Carol M. Come get it. Come and get it. Your very own kicker. Ribbon kicker. Oh, and it's got, oh, it smells good. Doesn't it smell good? Go get it. Go get it. Yeah. Think you can get it. She's gonna get it. Look at that drool. I think she likes it. Oh. There you go. You're so cute. Steer clear of Mama. She's high on catnip. But she's got something to kick now that's not you, so that's good. That's exciting. You can still kick that. She's very quiet suddenly. Very quiet. Alright, time for some. Let me do the food and water first. Hi, Mama. And then I will go see the starling. I know, Mama. Are you done already? If you want some of this, you can. I know, you can have some of this. You sure can. Yes. Let's make your bed. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. What? Oh my goodness, noise. Felicity. Oh, yes, you get that. You get that. Let's see. Oh, too happy. Oh, is it time for pee? Good job, Mama. He's fine. Quite a few peas in there. There's a poop. One small poop. That's good though. Good job, everybody. Adorable. Alright. Good work. Let's see. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna go wash myself and then be starting. Oh, are you coming out?